Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog grooming clippers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Wallpet Clipper Dog Grooming Kit. Designed to cut through even the thickest of dog hair, this high-power set of clippers are self-sharpening and snag-free. As well as the clippers, you also get a range of accessories including blade guard, cleaning brush, and mirror. 4 guide combs are also included to make it easier to get your dog's coat to the length that you want. And it is also ergonomically designed for your easy usage, meaning that you can comfortably complete the task of grooming your dog until they look their very best. Moving on at number 4, we have the PetTech Professional Dog Grooming Kit. A highly rated dog grooming kit, a range of accessories are included such as clippers, scissors and combs. The clippers are low vibration and quiet as a whisper, so they are less likely to startle your dog when you use them. As well as being ergonomically designed, they also feature a rechargeable battery and are ready whenever you need them. As for the blades, they are adjustable to offer a precision cut which is not going to pull at your dog's hair uncomfortably. And for added peace of mind, lifetime replacement is guaranteed. At number 3, we have the Enjoy Pet Dog Clippers. After they have been fully charged, these cordless dog grooming clippers will last for 7 hours, so you don't have to worry about them running out of juice in the middle of a grooming session. The power is high enough to ensure that hair won't get clogged up in them. The 33 sharp teeth make short work of the coats of even the hairiest dogs. As for the noise factor, the clippers come with a silencer built in which is designed to reduce friction between the blades and also lowers the noise. At number 2, we have the Andis UltraEdge Detachable Blade Clipper. This stylish set of dog hair clippers is thin and lightweight, and also comes in a range of different colors. They are designed for all types of coat and different dog breeds. As for the blades, they are detachable, as well as being easy to change and clean. Using a 2-speed rotary motor, it offers a high level of performance. The cord is designed for easy maneuverability, while the housing is shatterproof, so you don't have to worry about dropping the clippers. And finally at number 1, we have the Oster Professional Animal Grooming Clippers. Choose between 2 speeds depending on how much power you need to cut through the coat of your furry friend. These pet clippers have been designed to offer a high level of strokes per minute, as well as a wide blade sweep which facilitates fast clipping. Blade changes are quick and easy whenever you desire. As well as the number 10 Cryogen X blade, you also get blade oil, clipper grease, cleaning brush, and replacement carbon brushes. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.